Everything is perfect and way above my expectations, as is such a nice, cozy and reasonably priced Airbnb in London. Such a surprise for me. Really quiet and transportation convenient location, automated check-in process with super easy contact with the landlady, a huge beautiful room.
Where
with
to
cozy.
start? The room was clearly a teenager's bedroom. Immediately before my arrival, his socks and pants were still in the drawers, and his personal possessions cluttered every corner.
Fantastic accommodation, in a very accessible part of London, DLR 10 minutes walk away, regular buses so West End and its attractions less than 30 minutes, perfect for the purpose of my visit as London excel a stone's throw, and ideal for someone using London City Airport too.
Noise level. The gym room is next to the kitchen and is only accessible through the kitchen, and as a result, you are subject to noise as people use the kitchen in the morning and occasionally run laundry sessions at night, ending even after 12 a.m.
Had access to the backyard from my room without expecting to. Room didn't just have a bed and plenty of storage space for clothes etc., but a desk as well. Had access to a washing machine and kitchen. The bed was very comfortable and quite large. Everything I needed.
Bathroom smelled slightly bad, as though there was mold in it. Pillows weren't very comfortable. Wasn't clear on whether or not there were people actually living in the property or not, which made it confusing to know what I was and wasn't allowed to use.